Think of your Instagram bio as the storefront of your business. You want people who visit your profile to go from visitors to followers and from followers to hopefully paying customers. So there are specific things you can do to catch the visitors and convert them, and I'm going to break them down in this video. Alright, so in this video I'm going to go through 5 most important components of your bio and tell you how you can optimize each one, which will get you more followers and clients, and the best part, make you more money. But first, make sure to subscribe and tap the bell icon so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, so think of your bio as your virtual business card. Since it's at the top of your profile, it's your profile's prime real estate, and that's why you have to make sure it's fully optimized and makes the best first impression possible, and also gives your visitors a reason to follow you. The Instagram bio might be only 150 characters long, but it's actually the most important part of your profile. It's the opportunity to tell your audience who you are and why they should follow you, and it could also help you drive back traffic to your website. Alright, so the bio consists of a profile photo, your name, category, your bio text, and the link. Since they all play a huge factor in someone deciding to follow you or not, I would suggest you make the most out of each of these components. Alright, so let's go step by step. First up is the profile photo. The size of your profile photo should be 110 times 110 pixels, and keep in mind that it's going to be cropped into a circle. If you're a personal brand or an influencer, I would strongly recommend putting your photo in the profile picture, because it will establish an immediate connection and will seem more personal. If you don't have a personal brand, then adding your logo is perfectly fine. My second tip is to make your profile picture stand out by using bright colors or adding a colorful background. It makes a huge difference if your profile photo is just regular as opposed to a profile photo with a bright background. Alright, so next is your name. Your name is the part of the bio that's bold. This is one of the most important parts of your bio, not because it's the first thing people see when they land on your profile, but also because it's searchable. So if you put keywords like virtual assistant, for example, in your name, there's a chance that your profile will show up when someone will be searching for a virtual assistant. So make sure you write your business name and keywords that people would actually search to find your business. Alright, so the next thing we have to optimize is the text. We have 150 characters here and we want to make the most out of it and get straight to the point. So I would avoid any wishy-washy deep quotes. You don't want to fill up your bio with random stuff that leaves people confused about what you do and what you're offering. The most important thing here is to be clear about what you do, and even more importantly, what you can do for your audience or how you can solve their problem. So in the first line, state what you do and who you help and what you help them with. You can introduce yourself first if you want to establish a more personable approach and say, for example, like, "Hey, I'm Sam." But if you don't have enough space, get straight to the point by adding a statement like, "I'm a blank helping your target audience do whatever blank." So basically you're letting your visitors know what you can do for them. If you don't have a clear niche yet, try and figure it out, because the more specific you are, the more targeted people you will attract. So the second thing I would add is a line that will establish your authority. So for example, "I've helped hundreds of students do whatever." This will immediately position you as an expert and make your followers trust you. So the next thing you should have is a call to action and the link to lead your visitors somewhere. Tell them why they should click on the link, what's in it for them, and lead them to your website or offer them a freebie in exchange for their email. Alright, so the next thing is the link that you will add under the call to action. If you want to give your visitors more than one option, you can create multiple links by creating a landing page where you're going to list all of your clickable links and where your one link from Instagram will lead to. Hope this makes sense. So you can create one on your own website like I did, or if you don't have a website, there are plenty of tools that offer these kinds of landing pages for free, like Linktree, Link in Bio, and there are some other ones. But make sure you don't add too many links because that might confuse people. I would suggest you just have 2 or 3 links. So one to your offer, second one to your lead magnet, and the third one to maybe your YouTube channel or a blog. And make sure the text in your bio conveys your personality and vibe. Instagram should be a fun place, so if you have any characters left, you can add something fun about you and your business and express your business's personality. I would also suggest adding some emojis to make it more colorful and easier to read. Also, make sure to utilize your contact buttons because it's way more convenient for your clients to get in touch with you if you have your buttons set up. And make sure to switch up your bio from time to time and see if you catch different types of audiences depending on what you write. It's a trial and error kind of thing, so make sure you experiment. Alright guys, that's it. Let me know if you're going to tweak your bio in the comments below, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram where I share daily tips and tricks. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!